Here in this video, we will learn how to download SQL Server 2025 and SQL Server Management Studio. Let's start. In the Google search bar, type SQL Server download and click on the first link, Microsoft SQL Server Downloads. Then press on Downloads. Then scroll down. You will find four versions here. This is on premises SQL Server 2025 on premises, and this is Azure, and this is a developer, and this is Express. We will go for this Express version as it is free edition, ideal for development and production for desktop, web, and small server applications. So we will go for this version. Click on download now. Then open download folder and search for that you have downloaded the SQL Server. Then right click on it and open it. Select basic and accept all the terms and conditions.
used to connect SQL with programming languages like Python that we will install
When the installation of the
SSMS
server is successful, click on Install SSMS. When you click on SSMS, a browser will open. Then scroll down and find Download SQL Server Management Studio 22 installer. Click on it. Then find SSMS. Then open SSMS from the downloads. Click on Continue.
so here you can see the click continue.
Visual Studio installer will be installed now.
This will come. So we have to do just wait.
After that, click on all the four options provided here and then click on Install. It will take some time. Then click on OK.
Uninstalling, click OK.
Then it will ask for create an account. You can create an account or you can skip it now. Then you have to provide the SQL Server name. Find the system name here. This is the system name. This is my system name. You can find your system name from the system information. Open. Mine is 21, so I am making a stand using 21. Your will be 22. Install SQL Server Management Studio 22. Now before the slash, it is the system name. It is my system name, and after slash it is the installer Express SQL Express. You can take it optional. Encryption may be optional or mandatory. Click on Trust Server Certificate, then connect. Now this is the SQL Server Management Studio. Here you will find the databases and all the controls. This is the Object Explorer, and this is the area where you can write your queries. So hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon for getting notification for more videos.